Spotlight, moonlight, get white dripping, get your mood right. Should've look good in the moonlight. What is supposed to look so bad, my spotlight.
Hello friends, my name is Nisha and I welcome you to my channel NISHA COMPUTER ACADEmy. Today's video is about how to create the fireworks animation in MS PowerPoint 2007. In this video, I will tell you the steps for creating the firework animation to your presentation in PowerPoint in a very simple manner. The process is same for the PowerPoint 2007, 2013, 2016. After seeing this video, you can create the firework animation in your presentation. The firework animation will look like this. Okay friends, let's cut into the MS PowerPoint. First, take a slide, go to the layout and select blank option. Then the slide will be blank. First of all, we learn how to create this kind of animation. Let me play this animation once again for better understanding. So let's try to recolor this animation now. Now you may have noticed in this animation that there are three aspects. One aspect is that there is a straight line which coming from the bottom. Then there is a circle here and then there is a bigger circle here. So we need to create three elements for this firework animation. So I come back to the blank slide. Now first of all, I need to go to the shapes menu and I need to insert a rectangle. So I came all the way here. There is a recently used shapes and I click on this rectangle shape, or I can come out here to the rectangles menu and I can select from here. So let me make a rectangle first of all like this. Now in the second step, there are new turn, add some colors in this rectangle so that it gives us an appropriate of the firework coming from the ground. So for that, I need to right click here and come over here to the format shape and click here. Now I need to fill in the gradient fill, so that I am able to put in specific colors right from the bottom to the top of the slide. So let me come here, click this gradient fill. Now I need to fill in various positions appear here. In order to get the desired kind of colors for this line, for starting the color can be any color. So I leave this color as type to be linear. The direction it has to be from the linear up. Now I come to the gradient stops. These points will help me to put in specific colors at the various points of this line. First of all, I need to click here. Now this is the base of this line. Since it is coming all the way from the ground up of the slide, so I need color for the starting. Let me make this color as completely black. So So I click on stop 1. Then I come to the color option and I select the color black. You can see a blackish stone is coming at the base of this line. Set position to 0%. Now select the second stop. Set to 50%. And I need to select the color which is lighter shade of the black or maybe even a grayish color. So I select it like this. Now select stop 3 and set position to 75%. And for this area, I need something of a yellowish or orangish color so that it signifies the start of an explosion. For this, come to the color option. I need to select the color orange. And towards the end, I need some darkish shade of the orange to place more emphasis on the explosion part of the firecracker. So let me insert a gradient stop here. So click on add stop. Set position to 100%. Let me put the color of this stop as a dark orange. So here we are, friends. We have selected the gradient fill and I have put in various colors at the various points of this line. So let me close this and let me click anywhere on the blank slide. You can see that there is still some kind of an outline on this line which I don't want. So I just double click this and I come all the way to this shape outline and I select no outline. So here we are. I have filled in the first element of the firecracker animation. This line is too thick. I don't want it like this, so I just make it thin. Okay. Now I need to make it some changes to the boundaries of this line so that it looks as it comes short of 5 stick is going upwards. For that I again come over here and I do right click, click on format shape, select line style and I need to come over here, select the dash dot line and then I close it. And again I will try to reduce the width of this line to the minimum possible. So here we are. You can see the bottom of the line is black and in all the way up still orange and then a deep orange. This is the first element of the animation. Now let us make the second element. For that I need to again come over to the shapes menu and I need to select a oval shape. And I come over here and I drag and drop it on this slide like this. And I just turning to make it somewhat of a circle. Now I put in the same some colors in this line in a similar fashion. I need to put in some colors in this circle also so that I resemble the start of an explosion. In order to do that I just right click here, go to the format shape and again go to the gradient fill. Now friends, this is a circular shape, so I need to come over here, type for the previous one. There was a line, this type was linear. Here we have a circle, so I need to change it to a radical shape. Now as far as direction, I need to click here and I select this option as a from the center. So I click here and you can see that the colors are arranged accordingly, that in the dark in the center and it is going to lighter towards the edges. Now I will it is in the center. It should be a dark orange color that resembles the color of the tip of this line. And as we go outwards, it should become lighter, so that I need to come over here to the gradient stops. Friends, if you recall, these are the gradient stops which we finalized for this line, so just as an easy method. Whatever gradient stops we have finalized for this stops, we need to put all these gradient stops for this circle, but in the reverse order. Click on stop 1 and put the color dark orange. Stop 2, orange. Stop 3, grey color. And in stop 4, dark black. Now you can see here what I wanted in the beginning was that in the center it should be the dark orange. As we go outwards, it should become lighter. So let me close this and let me click anywhere on this slide. Now you can see that there is a glowish color outline which we do not want. Just double click on the shape and I come to the shape outline menu and I select no outline. So friends, I have made second element also for this firework animation. So let me now create the third element. For that I need to again come to the shapes menu and I need to come down to the stars and banners menu. And I can select any one outside these three. Either I can select 16 point star or 24 point star or 32 point star. For this purpose of this example, I will select 32 point star. I just click here and make it here and I try to make it a little bit bigger circle like this. After inserting this 32 point star, you can see there was a yellow color dot here right at the top. So I just select this dot and I bring it all the way down towards the center of this star. Like this. Now the second step is that I need to change the color of this star to orange color and I need to change the type of lines which are coming out of this star. So for that I just choose the star, do right click, come to format shape and then I come to the line color which I need to make yellow like this. And then I need to click here, that is the line style, and I need to come all the way here, that is the type of the line which I need to select is dash dot line. Let me click this and we can see a good visual effect. When I run the firework animation, then this is going to get an effect of firework coming out of the explosion. So let me close this. Now the next step is that I need to select it, do right click and send to back. This will help me in the animation process. So friends, my first work is done. That is, I created 3 kinds of shapes which I need to make this animation. Now the second step is I need to add animations to all of these 3 shapes. For easy understanding, we just have to remember one thing, that each of these elements will going to make an entry. Each of these elements will going to make an exit. And these 2 elements have an additional animation in the project. So first of all, let me add animation to this line. Go to Animations tab, click on Custom Animation. Select Line. Go to Add Effect, then go to Entrance. Go to More Effects. Then select Fly In. Click on OK. This is the default direction that is coming from the bottom towards the top. This is what I want. Now I need to add an exit animation effect to this line. Go to Add Effect, go to Exist, then go to More Effects. Select Dissolve Out. Click on OK. Now select the circle, go to Add Effect, go to Entrance, go to More Effects, select Zoom Animation, select Zoom Animation, click on OK. For this, I have to show that there is an explosion in this center which is coming outwards. Now I need to add another animation effect. Go to Add Effect, go to Emphasis, select More Effects, then select Grow in Sync. Click on OK. That is, the explosion starts, then it grows a little bit like this. And then the third thing is to add an exit animation to this. Go to Add Effect, go to Exist, select Dissolve Out. Now in the similar fashion, I need to add animation effects for this 32-point star. For entrance, go to Add Effect, go to Entrance, select Zoom. Next, go to Add Effect, go to Emphasis, select Grow in Sync. Next, go to Add Effect, go to Exist, select Dissolve Out. I have to put 2 animations for this line and 3 animations for the circle and 32-point star. Now the third part of the project is that I need to arrange these animations of the project. I need to arrange these animations so that it works the nice visual effect of the firework animation. For that, let me come out to the animation plane and then try to rearrange these animations in order to get the desired effect. First of all, select first animation. By pressing Shift key, select last animation. Click on drop down arrow, go to timings. In duration, set 0.30. Click on OK. Now friends, in order to make these animations, we have to understand the concept behind this. Now the concept is, first of all, this line will coming towards the top. Then when it reaches the top, then the circle comes into the picture and it starts explosion outwards. The explosion of the circle is complete, then the circle also comes into the picture and it starts explosion outwards. And in the meantime, at a specific point, this line dissolves out, then the circle dissolves out, and the end, this circle dissolves out. So let us arrange the animation effects for all of these three elements. So let us come here. This is the rectangle, and you can see the description at the bottom when we use the mouse at the top of the animation. It is saying that we can start on click and the animations is flying. So this is the first step. The next step is the circle should come into the picture. So this is the circle which I need to bring it here. This circle should start after the line comes here. So in start after previous. When the circle is coming, then the line should be disappeared. So click on exist animation of the line and start with previous. After that, the circle should grow in size. Now click on grow and sync animation of this circle in start after previous. For the time the circle is growing, this outline has to come into the picture. So this is the starting point of this circle. In fact, the third circle brings in. Bring it here and start with previous. When the circle is coming out, it has to grow and sink. So bring this to the top and this animation has to start after the previous. Now the next step is, when the circle is growing, then this particular circle has to be dissolved out. Click on the exist and effect of the inner circle and start with previous. At the end, this particular circle has to dissolve out and start after previous. So friends, we have to able to set the animations. Now arrange all the three shapes as shown. Now decrease the size of the inner circle and increase the size of the outer circle. Press Ctrl+A. Go to Arrange, Align Center. Now set the background color black. Go to Design, go to Background Styles, set black color. Now click on Slideshow. That's it, friends. You can create amazing firework animation to your presentation. That's all for this video. If you like my content, then please like my video, share my video. If you have any doubts, then please comment in the comment box. I will sure help you to fix the problem. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.